Oh,
Welcome back to Plant a Garden TV. How you guys doing? Today, just gonna walk around and harvest a few herbs, whatever is there to harvest. I'm definitely gonna harvest them today. I'm looking at this pepper right here. This is a huge pepper. I just want to see it ripe on the tree, so I'm just gonna leave it. All right, so let's go and do some harvesting. Okay, I'm gonna leave you on. All right, so I'm gonna harvest a few of these beautiful flowers because I use them and make tea. So I'm gonna harvest a few of them. I'm gonna look at my okras and see what's going on with my okra. All right, they have small okra. All right, that's awesome. All right, so over here, the thing with okra, guys, you cannot play with okra. You see this one? Look this one right here. You see once you break this, that's good. If it ain't break, it's a little too hard already. So this is why with okra plant, you got to catch yourself in the okra plant at least twice a week, every 3 days. Yeah, these are beautiful flowers, attract bees, butterfly, and you also could use them and make tea. Well, I use them and make tea, and you could also pick them, put them in a bundle and give to the lady. You know what I'm saying? Let your garden provide for you guys. If you plant in a garden, let the garden provide for you whatever you want. Flowers, vegetables, whatever it is, let it provide for you. All right, so I have ripe tomatoes again. Okay. We have banana pepper. These pepper look like they're ready. So I'm definitely gonna pick a few of them. The thing with banana pepper, the more you harvest, the more they produce. Okay, we have okra. Look at this one, you see? This one, once it ain't break, it's too hard. So now I gotta leave this one for seed because you see it ain't pop. Look at this one here. Once it pop like this, it's still good. The thing about it, when they get hard, they don't get that juice. It does be too dry. But when they're not hard, you get that juicy slime coming out of them. You see this one already too hard. You see, this is the thing with okra. You got to be up in here every 2 days. Look at this master here. This is an okra. But I'm going to eat this one. This one tastes good. This one already too hard, so I gotta leave it. So I'm gonna pick the young one. That's the thing with okra, guys. You gotta be, once you start producing, you gotta be in your garden every day, every 2 days. Now all you're gonna be having is hard, dry okra. So my harvest time now begins. You see, these are tomato slip. I eat one the tomato and squeeze the seed out, and right here we have tomatoes growing again. This okra, very delicious. You gotta make sure you check your okras, because you see these okra. You see how they're small? I gotta be here in 2 days. If I'm not here in 2 days, these okra gonna get too hard, and then I will basically have to leave them for seeds, which I also gonna be needing a lot of seed. But the thing is, what I do, I wait to the end of the season, and then I allow a portion of them to go to seeds. Listen, these tomatoes, I know anybody who following my channel and looking at my harvest gonna understand what I'm talking about with these tomatoes right here. Okay, all right guys, so let's go down here and see what else for harvest. I will be posting video every week, every Sunday, showing my harvest that I get for the week. These are spaghetti squash. Okay. Here we have jalapeno pepper. I'll leave them to ripe. And we have some nice banana peppers up in here. Look at the way they carve. Beautiful peppers. But I'm gonna leave them where they gather more strength. All right. Here now I'm gonna be picking some callaloo leaf from my meadows, which these leaves we can use them and make callaloo. We boil them just like how we boil collard greens. So you could get a real delicious soup from these. We call them callaloo. All right. Okay. Okay. Let me harvest a little basil. These are cinnamon basil. And like you see, we harvest beautiful flowers. Could give it to the lady, or you can make some nice tea with them. But do your research, guys, before you use them and make tea. Scallion. Let me cut some scallion as well. There's a scallion. All right. Okay. We have two nice peppers here. So, two nice peppers. Okay, I'll leave them to ripe up a little more. All right, we have bee balm here. I use bee balm and make tea as well. Okay. And this, we use this for salad. So we're gonna cut off the whole head here. I have a lot of them, but this is what we use for salad. The name, let me tell you the name of it. Somebody move the sticker. But all right, I forgot the name, but ancient people, them Asian people love this. Smells delicious. All right. So, okay, guys. I'm gonna grab a cup of peach as well. Just a couple. Okay, just a couple, 4. All right, so now this is my harvest right here, guys. So we have basil, we have scallion, we have callaloo, and we have squash. You know what? I have 2 more squash over there that I think need to be picked. These are butternut squash. Guys, when I tell you that I don't just plant food just because I want to plant food, I always mention when I plant food, I expect to eat from them. Wow, it's a nice size right there. These are butternut squash. We could have a next one right here. All right. Oh man, this is solid. Whew. All right, guys, not picking anything more. This is it for the day. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you guys enjoy this video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Peace, blessing, love to all.